Have you ever noticed that your tinnitus getting worse during allergies or sinus issue? It could be eustachian tube dysfunction or ETD. Eustachian tube connects your middle ear to your nose and throat um, to balance pressure and drain fluid. But when it's blocked or inflamed, pressure builds up and can trigger or worsen tinnitus. ETD may hide behind mild sinus problems or allergies, and this making it tricky to detect. But treatment of ETD often bring significant tinnitus relief. So in my full video, we'll explore what ETD is and how photobiomodulation or PBM may help to treat it. So stay tuned and watch the full video to learn more.